Saturday, January 15th, 2022. A huge noise was heard in the Pacific island of Tonga. It was another eruption of volcano Hunga Tonga-Hunga Haʻapai. This volcano had exploded before in 2009 and in 2014, but this time the eruption was very violent and fast. It captured attention not just due to the amount of ashes, tsunami and pressure waves it created, but mostly because it was captured by satellites GOES West and Himawari 8. These images are fantastic. The eruption sent a volcanic mushroom plume into the lower stratosphere. As seen from space, we see the development of the upper part of the mushroom plume. Other impressive satellite imagery shows the site before and after the eruption, being that the volcano and most of land around it has disappeared. This volcanic eruption was indeed impressive, but we should keep it in perspective. It is not a trigger for volcanic winter. For example, this eruption is half of the 1991 Pinatubo eruption. Pinatubo eruption reached a height of 35 kilometers, whereas the Tonga-Hunga eruption reached a height of 16 kilometers, less than half of Pinatubo's. The Pinatubo event made a barely noticeable cooling of the atmosphere for a couple of months. This one will be even less noticeable. The figure shows the total global stratospheric volcanic sulfate aerosol injection. We have been at very low volcanic activity for decades or even a century, and that little last line on the right, that is the 1991 Pinatubo eruption. Imagine a line half that size. Now let us zoom back to put things into perspective. Again, the excitement over this event is the bird's eye view provided by the satellites, and also for those unfortunately affected in the neighborhood of the event.